The art of chord voicing is the secret to controlling the perceived quality of dissonance of chords. Let's start with this. Notes aren't just labels. Depending on where you play them, they have physical mass. If you take an F major 7 chord, a lush, sophisticated sound, and move it across the range spectrum, the character changes entirely. Down low, intervals are subject to the lower interval limit. Because of the physics of the harmonic series, close-set notes in the bass become thick or murky. In the high register, the same chord becomes crystalline and airy. So the lower you go, more room your notes need to breathe to remain intelligible. Think of notes like magnets. When shoved close together, a major second, they vibrate with a jagged energy, a physical itch. Move that same top note an octave higher, a major ninth, and it becomes a gentle breeze. By changing the vertical distribution, you control the friction. Placing a jagged interval at the very top or bottom of a chord acts like a solo spotlight. The dissonance is sharp and unavoidable. And tucking that same dissonance into the middle of the chord, the inner voices, allows the surrounding notes to absorb the tension, creating a rich, complex texture rather than a harsh clash. The decisions of how you choose to distribute the notes of your chord and how you choose to balance the amount of dissonance in it can also be justified because of the way you want to connect to the next chord. Building a beautiful chord is only half the battle. The magic happens in how you move to the next one. This is voice leading. Imagine your chord is a group of 4 hikers. Parsimonious voice leading is the art of moving to the next camp without making anyone climb an unnecessary mountain. If a hiker can stay exactly where they are, let them. If they must move, keep it to a half or a whole step. While jumping between root position chords, where the hand hops wildly across the keys, it can sound disjointed and seasick. Using inversions allows the inner hikers to take tiny steps, and the result, the chord progression flows like water. Harmony is a river current. By choosing where to place your friction, the dissonance, and how smoothly your hikers step, you aren't just playing notes, you're directing the flow. You can keep the water calm with smooth, stepwise motion, or create an exciting waterfall with bold, wild leaps. The quality of your sound isn't found in the notes themselves, but in how you balance the pressure within the stream. Thank you for watching, and until next time.